Dear friends, in this video, I'm going to give you the demo of this IBim Ferrules on panel face. This is the new interface. We have made a few changes to make this application more effective, and this is actually using IBim Ferrule system component. It actually replaces face Ferrules and Ferrules custom component. Let me walk you through step-by-step process. You have two options here, ferrule and component. I'll come back to this component later on. When you choose this ferrule, it will automatically enable this box, and you have four options here: generic, ancon, read, and nexus. When you choose generic, it will automatically show the list of the ferrules for this type. And when I choose ancon, you can see it will automatically update the list. And this is read. And last one is nexus. When I choose the size, it will automatically update the name. Let me go back to generic, and I'm going to change the length and select any field. It will automatically update the name, which means you don't have to type manually. Let me change this one to M24. You can see here. And this is the list for the finish. And the ferrules come with the predefined prefix and start number, but if you want to change, select this option yes, and then you can change the part prefix, start number, assembly prefix, and assembly start number. Let me change it back to no. And position is auto by default, but you have other options. If you select auto, it will automatically assign the position near side, far side, or both sides based on the cast unit form face. If you're going to apply on the top, bottom, left, or right, in that case, we don't have to assign the position. So choose this blank option. And if you choose near side, it doesn't matter which side you pick, it will place the ferrules on the near side. Similarly, it works for far side and both sides. Let me keep this option auto first and class is 100. If you're going to use this for props, then select this option yes, then it will automatically add prop as prefix to the name. Let me change this one back to no. And I'm going to select the panel face and then pick the first point and second point. You can see based on the selection option, exact number, target spacing, and exact spacings, it will add ferrules to the picked panel face. The distance between the two ferrules 50, and you can see the start distance and end distance. So if I go and inquire this user defined attributes, it will automatically fill the comment, product code, product description, and if I go to the custom, you can see the position is far side because the cast unit form face is on the other side of the panel. Let me check that one. Double click on this cast unit application. So you can see it is on this side. So what about if I use the other options? Like for an example, if I choose near side, let me change the representation to semi-transparent by pressing the Ctrl 2. Now, if I select near side and click modify, can you see it automatically changes the position to the other side? So let me add both sides. That means it will add ferrules on both the sides. Let me apply the application to the top face of the panel. Change the value to 0 because I don't need two ferrules. Select the application, pick the top face and pick first point and second point. So you can see now. Let me also create on this face and pick the first point and pick the second point. You can see now. You can also use this application to add casting plate. For example, let me open this. Select component and then open the component catalog. search for casting plate, and I'm taking this CP2F, and this time I'm going to use target spacing. The spacing is 1000, and click apply. Now I'm going to pick the face and pick the first point and second point. You can see here. So if you want to make any changes to this component, you have to go to this casting plate component and make these changes in the custom component. As you can see, this application will be more helpful to place the ferrules on any face of the panel. If you have any question, feel free to get in touch with me, and thank you for watching this video.